Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series. This is the video number 22. In this video, we will learn date function, today, date and year. So let's start. In Excel, date functions make working with dates fast and easy. The today functions gives the current date automatically, so you don't have to type it manually. So let's see. So here we can see in current date column, I simply select the cell used is equal to and enter here the today function and just enter, and here you see the today's date. You can check here in my laptop calendar, today dates 11/10/2025. I just select the cell and drag the formula below the cell, and you can see the current date here showing. Okay. The date function lets you create a date by specifying the year, month and day. So let's see, I select here the cell, use the is equal to and enter the date function. And here you can see just enter here first year. So I enter here 2023, use comma, month. So I enter here 4 month and day is 23. Okay. And just bracket close and enter. Here you see your date function create the date format. So I select the cell and drag this formula below this cell. And here you can see the same date is showing with the format, date format. And next, the year function. The year function extracts the year from any date. So I select the cell, use is equal to and enter here the year function. Okay. And select the date, bracket close and enter. Here you can see the year only extracted here. That's it. Let's calculate years completed. So I select the cell, use is equal to and enter here the year function and then enter today's date. Okay, in bracket, then use the minus and again I use here year function. Select the B2, okay, join date, then bracket closed and enter. Okay. You can see the years completed number is not showing, the date format showing. Okay, when you select this cell, we just go to the home tab here. You can see number group. Here you can see the date format showing. Okay, when you select this below cell, you can see general format is showing. Okay, when I select this cell and click on this arrow and select the general format, and here you can see the years completed here showing. So 2018 to 2025 is 7 years. Same as I select this cell and drag this formula below the cell, and here you see the years completed here showing. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.